spark plug removal on the other side of the engine. Boy, this sucker's a little tight, isn't it? It's hard to do this when the engine is inside the vehicle because you're crawling inside and all sorts of shrouding. Put this down. I've used the pliers to remove the spark plug from the socket, but you notice where I put the pliers. I did not. I put the pliers on an area other than where the thread is. I did not put the pliers on the threaded area. You don't want to damage these threads. The threads need to be nice and pointy on the ends. There, you can see compared to the, you see, looking at the background there, yeah, nice and pointy. Look at that. Oh, yeah. See how crisp they are? You want to keep those nice and crisp. That way you don't you don't put them in at an angle and you don't destroy your head. There's a gap. See that gap in between in the spark plug? That little little space in there? That's a certain gap. 0.016? What does that measure? Something like that. Anyway, you want to gap your spark plugs properly. You need a spark plug gapper tool.